Welcome to Home of Math. We are starting part 4, exercise 1.5, class 6. Today we will discuss about HCF of a fraction. Let's start. First question, determine HCF. So here is 2 1 by 2, 3 1 by 3. Here is two fraction. We have to find out the HCF of a fraction. So first, this is a mixed fraction, right? We have to convert to improper fraction. So first the rule, integer times denominator plus numerator divide denominator. It means integer is 2 times denominator. It means 2 times 2 is a 4 plus numerator. It means 2 times 2 is a 4. 4 plus 1 is a 5. So we can write this one 5 divide 2, and this one is 3 times 3 is a 9, 9 plus 1 is a 10. So 10 divide 3. Okay. Now what is the rules of HCF of fraction, which is HCF numerator and LCM of denominator. So in this fraction, in these fractions, numerator are 5 and 10. LCM is, so 5 and 10 LCM is what? 5 and 10 HCF, sorry. First we have to find out the HCF of numerator. So this one is HCF. HCF is, so 5 and 10, the common thing is 5. How we can check this one? 5 we can write 1 times 5. 10 we can write 1 times 2 times 5. So common thing is 5. So first one done. Again in these fractions, denominator are 2 and 3. So LCM is 2 and 3, LCM is 6. Now, so HCF of fraction equals to HCF of numerator divide LCM of denominator. So we already got the result, which is 5 divide 6, and this is our answer. So number A, question 4, number A done. Now look, everything will be unchanged. Here the fractions are 8, 2, 2 by 5, 8 by 10. So first thing, in these fractions, numerators are what? 8. Then what? We cannot write, because here is 2, 2 by 5 is a mixed fraction. So this one we can write like this, 8, then 5 times 2 is a 10, 10 plus 2 is a 12, divide 5, and then 8 by 10. Okay, this one. So now we can write, in this fraction, numerators are 8, 12 and 8. So HCF we can write like this. Suppose 8 we can write 1 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is a 4, 4 times 2 is a 8, and 12. This one we can write 1 times 2 times 2 times 3, because 2 times 2 is a 4, 4 times 3 is a 12. So what is the common thing? HCF means highest common factor. It means the common things. Here is 2 2, here is 2 2, we can take. So the HCF is 4, right? Now again in this fraction the denominator are, so denominator is 8, so here is showing no denominator, it means 1, so no need to write. Then 5 and then 10, so obviously the LCM will be 10. Now what is the answer? HCF of numerator, which is 4, and LCM of denominator is 10, right? So 4 by 10. If you want, you can more simplify, so we can divide by 2, so here is 2 and here is 5, so our answer is 2 by 5. Okay, so our answer is 2 by 5. So thank you very much. We are solving number A and B, and today's final question number C. Let's start. Now everything will be unchanged, just we will change the value. So number C, here is 9, 1 by 3, 5, 2 by 5, 15, 3 by 4. So first we have to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. The rules is integer times denominator plus numerator divide denominator. So 3 times 9 is a 27, 27 plus 1 is a 28 divide 3. Then 5 times 5 is a 25 plus 2 is a 27 divide 5, and finally 15 times 4 is a 70, 70 plus 3 is a 73 divide what? 4. Now it's an important thing, in these fractions numerators are what? 28, 27, 73. Now look, each thing has no common denominator, because this 28 we can write 1 times 2 times then what? 2 times 7. 2 times 2 is a 4, 4 times 7 is a 28. This is 27. So this one is 1 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times is a 9, 9 times 3 is a 27, and 73. 73 is a what? Prime factor, prime function. So it's a prime number, therefore we can write 1 times 73. Now so the HCF is a co-prime number. Everything is co-prime number. How? Because here is only one common factor is 1, so we can write HCF is 1. Now in these fractions denominator are 3, 5, 4, so LCM is, here is no common thing, therefore we will multiply everything. So 3 times 5 is a 15, 15 times 4 is a what? 60. Now HCF of fraction, HCF of numerator is 1, LCM of denominator is 60. So this is our answer. Okay, so no more today, we are trying to solve 3 math based on HCF of fraction, which is very important for any kinds of competitive examination, and especially the primary level is very important. Or for big math, sometime once we simplify fraction, that time we need HCF of fraction or LCM of fraction. So thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends.